Who is the inventor of computer? Answer option C. Charles Babbage. What was the name of the first computer? Answer option B. ENIAC. When did the great revolution in the field of computers take place? Answer option D. 1960. What is the Hindi name of computer? Answer option B. Sanganak. When is Computer Literacy Day celebrated? Answer option D. 2 December. What is the full form of CPU? Answer option A. Central Processing Unit. Which of the following is not a search engine? Answer option D. Facebook. Which of the following is an input unit? Answer option D. All of these. Mouse, keyboard, scanner. 1 kilobyte is equal to how many bytes? Answer option A. 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to how many kilobyte? Answer option A. 1024 kilobyte. 1 gigabyte is equal to how many megabyte? Answer option B. 1024 megabyte. IC chips in computers are made of. Answer option D. Silicon. Which is the correct full form of the term HTTP in Internet address? Answer option D. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which of the following is optical memory? Answer option C. CD-ROM. Which unit is the control memory and third unit of a CPU? Answer option D. Arithmetic/logic. Which part of the computer is used for calculation and comparison? Answer option C. ALU. A hardware device that converts data into meaningful information. Answer option A. Processor. What are the three main parts of the processor? Answer option B. ALU, control unit and memory unit. Who controls the movement of signals between CPU and input-output? Answer option A. Control unit. What is the function of the central processing unit of a computer? Answer option C. Performs calculations and processing. Which of the following is not a basic function of a computer? Answer option B. Scanning the text. Who carries out the operation? Answer option B. Arithmetic. Where does most of the processing take place in a computer? Answer option C. CPU. Which of the following tasks is not performed by a computer? Answer option B. Understanding. Main memory works in coordination with what? Answer option D. CPU. Microprocessor, which is the brain of the computer, is called. Answer option B. CPU. The quantity produced by computer is. Answer option C. Output. Input is converted into output. Answer option B. By CPU. What is processed data called? Answer option B. Information. What is the main component of CPU? Answer option D. All of these. Control unit, memory, arithmetic, logic unit. What is the capacity of computer? Answer option C, limited. What type of intelligence has been attributed to computers? Answer option B, artificial. Which is fastest among human mind and computer? Answer option B, human mind. What is EDP? Answer option D, electronic data processing. What is called information in computer? Answer option C, collected data. What is called data in computer? Answer option D, symbols and numerical information. Who converts input into output? Answer option C, CPU. What is the data that goes into the computer called? Answer option B, input. What is the meaning of data processing? Answer option D, preparation of information for commercial use. What is ATM? Answer option A, without the staff giving cash. What is converted into information by computer process? Answer option B, data. The first calculating device is? Answer option C, abacus. Who invented the first mechanical calculator? Answer option B, Blaise Pascal. The basic structure of computer was developed by? Answer option C, Charles Babbage. Which of these is the largest, fastest and most expensive computer? Answer option A, supercomputer. The commonly used computer is? Answer option A, digital computer. What is Cray? Answer option D, supercomputer. The use of multiprogramming started in which generation of computers? Answer option C, third generation. When was the world's first supercomputer made? Answer option C, 1976. What is the name of the first computer manufactured in India? Answer option B, Siddharth. Which is the fastest computer? Answer option D, supercomputer. Microprocessor is a computer of which generation? Answer option D, third generation. What type of computer is Param computer, manufactured in India? Answer option D, supercomputer. In which country was the calculating machine abacus invented? Answer option C, China. Who invented the analytical engine? Answer option C, Charles Babbage. Who developed the integrated circuit chip? Answer option D, J.S. Kilby. Which material is coated on a magnetic disk? Answer option A, iron oxide. On which principle does a digital computer work? Answer option B, calculation. Which institution has developed the Param supercomputer developed in India? Answer option C, CDEC. Who made the first electronic computer ENIAC? Answer option B, Presper Eckert and John Mosley. Dot matrix is a type of which device? Answer option A, printer. What is the number of function keys in a keyboard? Answer option B 12. Which printer prints one letter in one stroke? Answer option D line printer. Which of the following is not an input device? Answer option A monitor. Which is the fastest printer? Answer option B laser printer. What is the full form of LCD? Answer option A liquid crystal display. What makes playing games easier? Answer option C joystick. What keys are called Ctrl, Shift and Alt? Answer option B modifier. What is the pattern of lines printed on most products called? Answer option A barcodes. What is the full form of OCR? Answer option B optical character recognition. Which of the following is not an output device? Answer option D touch screen. The most common storage device for a personal computer is? Answer option C hard disk drive. How is the display size of a monitor measured? Answer option B diagonally. What is the input device used to get printed diagrams in a computer? Answer option D scanner. Who made the first computer mouse? Answer option B Douglas Engelbart. When working on a document on a PC, the document is temporarily stored in? Answer option B RAM. Floppy disk belongs to which type of memory? Answer option A external. What type of memory is RAM? Answer option D main memory. What type of storage devices are used in cell phones? Answer option A cache. What type of storage is internal storage? Answer option B primary storage. In which memory the data stored gets lost as soon as the power goes off? Answer option A RAM. By what other name is CD known apart from compact disc? Answer option C optical disc. What can you do with a CD? Answer option C read and write. Which of the following is an example of an optical disc? Answer option C digital versatile disc. Which device can understand the difference between program and data? Answer option D microprocessor. DVD is an example of? Answer option C optical disc. Which of the following is not a computer component? Answer option D paper. What is the process of dividing a disk into tracks and sectors? Answer option C formatting. Which of the following is not an example of a storage device? Answer option D RAM. File system remains permanently in storage. Answer option C secondary. Through what does information travels between the components of the motherboard? Answer option D bus. What is the main panel of the computer called? Answer option A motherboard. What is the full form of PC? Answer option B, personal computer. What is the place called where accessories are connected to the system unit? Answer option B, port. In computer, IBM stands for? Answer option A, International Business Machine. Which port connects special types of musical devices to sound card? Answer option D, MIDI. What controls communication for the entire computer system? Answer option A, motherboard. The hardware used to read a disk is? Answer option C, disk drive. What is the thin plate or board connecting electronic components called? Answer option D, circuit board. In which are expansion cards inserted? Answer option C, slot. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like in this video and share this video to all of your friends, students, kids. And also don't forget to subscribe my general knowledge YouTube channel.